Hello students, today we are going to learn about the initial values of variables. In the previous classes we have discussed what is variable. Variable is a named memory location that is used to hold one type of a data. It can be integer, character, string, anything. Here variables are divided into two parts: instance variable, class variable, or a local variable. What is class variable or an instance variable means? The variables which are declared after the class above the method. The variables that are declared after the class and above the method is known as class variable or instance variable, whereas local variables are variables declared inside the method. It are declared inside the method. The main differences between them is that when the class variable is not initialized with a value, that is, if you are not assigned a value to the class variable, it get automatically initialized with the default value before use. So it will not show error. What the compiler will do means it will be automatically assigned with the default value before use. Whereas for local variable, if the user doesn't assign a value before using in an expression, it will show error. So you must initialize a value explicitly before use. So I will explain again, that is, class variables are variables which are declared after the class and above the method, and if we are not initialized any value to a class variable before using it in a calculation, the compiler will automatically initialize the class variables with a default value, whereas the local variable are variables which are declared inside the methods. If we do not assign a value to a local variable before using it, it will show error. So the user must initialize the variable, that is, user must assign a value to the local variable before it is using in an expression, otherwise it will show error. I have written a program. You can see the int a, which is I have declared after the class but above the method, it is instant variable or global variable, and int b is I have declared inside the method, it is known as local variable. These are instant variables and local variables. Now moving to the initial or default value of each type. They have given a box, very important. This box is very important. You have byte, it is default value 0, short 0, int 0, long 0l, float 0.0f, double 0.0d, char null character, that is /u 000, boolean, the default value is false. All reference type, that is class, interface, object, array, etc. are nulls. They have shown the diagram. This is we have already discussed. Now moving to another topic, constants. What are constants? Have you heard about constants? What is this constants? Constants means static. The value which cannot be changed. It is which cannot be changed. It is static. That is, it is fixed. That is, throughout the program it is fixed. So constants are values which cannot be changed. That is, it's fixed. How to make a variable constant? How to make a variable constant? We are going to learn that how to make a variable constant. We have a keyword known as final. We are using a keyword known as final. This is a keyword final. Everything is in small letter. The keyword final makes a variable constant. The keyword final makes a variable constant. The syntax is, first you have to write the keyword final, then data type, then variable name is equal to value semicolon. Final keyword space data type variable name is equal to value. This is the syntax for making a variable constant. When you make a variable constant by using the keyword final, then throughout the program the variable's value will be same. It will not be changed. It cannot be changed. When you try to change the value, it will show error because the value is fixed. Value is fixed. I will show you an example. Final int a is equal to 5. When I declare final int a is equal to 5, then a's value is 5 throughout the program. You cannot make any changes in a. You can use it for calculations, you can use it for printing, whatever operation you can do without making changes. If you try to make any changes, it will show error because this variable a is made as a constant. This variable a is made as a constant. So the keyword which is used to make a variable constant is final. They have given an example. This is class calculate tax and method calc. They have declared two variables, final double goods tax 0.03, final double service tax 0.3. This is variable name, data type and keyword and value. So these both variables are declared as made as a constant. You have to learn this box. And its value is 0.030. It will be constant throughout the program, and when they try to change goods under tax is equal to into 0 to 0.050, it will show error because goods tax as made as a constant by using the keyword. It will cause an error as the value of constants cannot be modified. We cannot modify it. So the reserved word final tells the compiler that the value will not change. The value will not, underline this, the reserved word final tells the compiler that value will not change. So whatever changes you makes in the program, it will show error if you try to change the value because this variable is declared as a constant. This variable is declared as a constant. So to make a variable constant, we use the keyword final. What is the advantage of making a variable constant? There are two advantages. They make your program easier to read and check for correctness because throughout the program the value will be same. It will not change. So it will be easy for you to read and check for correctness. If a constant need to be changed, suppose in your program you have to change, you have used a variable in many places. You have used the program variable in many places, but you want to make changes. What do you have to do? You just want to go to the place where it is declared. You just go to the place where it is declared and make changes in that place only. So automatically the value will be changed into all other places because the value is fixed. Whatever in the declaration the value is changed, that only it will be used for throughout the program. So you don't need to go to each place and change the value. Only in one places you can make changes so that it will get affected in the all programs. This is the main advantages of this keyword final, which is used to make a variable constant.